Unlock free flights faster by transforming your Hilton hotel stays into Delta SkyMiles. Let's jump right into transferring those Hilton Honors points. First, head over to HiltonHonors.com and log into your account. Navigate to the Redeem Points section. This is usually found under the Rewards tab. Look for an option to exchange points or something similar. On the exchange page, you'll see a list of Hilton's partner programs. Scroll until you find Delta Airlines. Click the Delta logo to proceed. Now, it's crucial to understand the transfer ratio. Usually, the conversion rate isn't fantastic, so evaluate if it makes sense for you. Enter the amount of Hilton Honors points you want to transfer using the transfer calculator. Before confirming, check for any ongoing transfer bonuses. Both Hilton and Delta sometimes offer promotions that can significantly boost the number of SkyMiles you receive. Double-check your Delta SkyMiles account number is correct, then confirm the transfer. It can take a few days for the SkyMiles to appear in your Delta account, so be patient. Now you are all set. Enjoy your free Delta flight.